welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we have something totally new here on the channel. We are going to talk about this retro Acer Ferrari F19 or 90-inch LCD TV. So I really love these old stuff and I came across this one with a thrift shop. So I'm just visiting these shops and there's always so much fun to see what they have laying around. So I came across this screen and this thing caught my interest, thinking, Ferrari, Acer, this needed to be a very expensive monitor for back in the day. So yeah, what I already mentioned, it's a 90-inch monitor, so it's a quite old one. So also you can see it with the resolution, because this thing has a 1280 by 1024. So nevertheless, it's a very old monitor, but I think it's something very unique. So what we're going to do in this video, it's just basically a more like a tear down, and we're going to clean it up and let's see what we're going to get. So about the main reason why I bought this, because it's basically in small television and this is very convenient for my old school retro game systems. Yeah, I know, if you want to play old school retro, yeah, I need to have a CRT. But as you can see, the screen itself is very filthy, so that is something we're going to clean up. I think this thing has been cleaned in many years now. And I've never seen something filthy like this. There's more of this rubber compound, and when it's getting old, it's getting really sticky. But if you look at the decal, it's really cool. And that's something that's really appealing to me. I love these Ferrari monitors, so that is something I need to point out. But if you look a little bit closer, you can see it's freaking filthy. Ugh. So the power supply that comes with this thing that we're going to need to power them on, it's a 12 volt power supply that we can find with many of these old school monitors. It's not a 2 amp, but it's a 4.54 amp power supply, so quite heavy. Alright, so first let's check if the screen is working, and if it's working we're going to do a tear down and just do a little peek inside how it's assembled. We're going to tear it down. Let's go. was thinking, with a Ferrari monitor, we're going to try a Ferrari game with the Sega Dreamcast. So let's go. Let's play some Ferrari. Alright, so that concludes this video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So this was more like a unique pickup, and I just wanted to share it with you. It was a really filthy monitor, just fun to tear it down and just clean it up and just do a little peek inside. So I'm very happy with this monitor. It's still not in perfect condition, it still has a lot of little problems. Nevertheless, I got it for a small amount of money, and it's just a great, unique collectible, to be honest. I really love these old hardware, so if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, because if it's me, I really love to do more of these videos. And it would be great if you join the Wicked family, because I will, just basically see you in the next video.